Hey guys, welcome to Mini Bike Store video blog. In this video I'm gonna be unboxing the Gepard electric dirt bike from Nitro Motors. I'm gonna show you step by step how to assemble the bike. You can purchase this bike from our website, the link is in the description. So let's open the box and see what is inside. Here we have a wheel and the front mudguard. Box with parts. And here is the dirt bike itself. So here we have the dirt bike outside of the box. As you can see, 95% of the bike is pre-assembled. So let's start. I will show you step by step how to assemble this bike. First we need to open the box with parts and tools. Here in the box we have the front plastic, we have the charger, the front axle, a bag with tools. You can use these tools if you wish, but I will be using my own tools. And here is the bag with some bolts, fuses and nuts. User manuals. You can have a read the user manuals, but if you follow our YouTube video blog, you won't need it. So let's start and assemble the bike. First we need to install the handlebars. The handlebars are just here. Unwrap them and place them in position like this. Make sure that the cables are not twisted. If they are twisted like this, then untwist them. Here in the back we have the clamps for the handlebars and we have the bolts. So you will need 4 bolts and 2 clamps. So place the first clamp just here, insert the front bolt, do the same with the second clamp, insert the front bolt only. Now here on the side you will find the ignition. Place the ignition on the top here and insert the other 2 bolts. Next, insert the handlebars on the middle. Make sure it's on the middle. Hold it and tight well all 4 bolts. Tight all 4 bolts well. So we have the handlebars installed. Next, check the brakes, make sure they are tight. If not, you can tie them just here. Next we'll need to install the front mudguards, so we need to remove this bolt here and this 3 bolts here. Remove the mudguard here from the front wheel. Insert the bolts through the mudguard here on the bottom. And then into the fork clamp. Tight the 3rd bolt. Next, insert the long bolt through this plastic here. Now you need to place this plastic into the front mudguard, these 2 holes placed on these 2 pins, and then insert the bolt just here. So we have these 2 both plastics installed. Now we will need to install the front wheel and the front brake. To install the front wheel, you will need to place the bike on the higher stand like this. So here is the wheel. You can check if there is air in the wheel. If not, you can pop it in. So to install the wheel, first we need to prepare the front axle. Here it is. You have 2 spacers. They are both the same size, so it doesn't matter which side you put them on. So we need to put the axle through the fork, then through the spacer, and then through the wheel. On the other side we put again the spacer and then through the fork again like this. Then put the nut on and tight it well. When we have installed the front wheel, next we need to install the front brake. Here you have 2 bolts. You have to remove these 2 bolts. Insert the brake into the, make sure the brake will fit here, the disc brake. And insert the bolts. tight well both bolts. Next, check if the wheel moves freely. Make sure the brake is properly adjusted. If you need to adjust the brake, you can check our video how to adjust the brakes in a mini dirt bike. Next, we need to put the front brake line through this little hole here. So we need to remove it from this side. So twist this screws like this, press it, hold it, and here you can remove the brake line. Then insert through this hole and put it back. Then twist this bolt, these screws here. Next, you will need to connect the rear shock into the fork. Here in the back you can find the bolt and the nut. And secure the bolt with the nut. Next, you will need to check the air pressure in the back wheel. If the air pressure is very low, then you can pump the wheel. Check the chain, make sure it's not too tight. Check and make sure that the rear brake is properly adjusted. So when you turn the rear wheel, make sure it moves freely. Here it's okay. Here in the back you will find the fuses. Here you will find the fuse box and you need to insert the fuse. And close the box. Now you can remove the covers from the stickers. Assemble the bike, we can test it. So here are the keys. Here is the main ignition, so you need to place the key on, turn it on. Next, in the back you will find the two keys which are for the speed restrictor. Here is the ignition for the speed restrictor, so you need to place the key on, and you can set 3 different maximum speeds. So we have the ignition on, the lights, the battery lights are on. We can lift the rear wheel. So here is 1 speed. Now we can turn the speed restrictor. Here is the next speed, and that's the middle speed. Before first ride you have to charge the battery fully. So here is the charger. You plug in charger into the wall socket and this end just here, and charge fully. When the battery is full, this light will be green, and after you charge the bike you can use it. You need to make sure that if the bike is in the storage, you have to always have the bike fully charged for storage. Do not leave the bike with empty batteries. So thanks for watching. please subscribe to our channel for more videos. If you like the bike, you can order it from the website. The link is in the description. Thanks, see you guys.